back to Writing for Business. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to use phrases to write a letter of complaint. The phrases here can be used in any kind of negative situation that you'd like to have resolved. Some examples of this could be bad service at a restaurant, hotel, or shop. It could even be for a situation where you purchased some faulty goods. Whatever the situation, the phrases in this lesson will help you to write a complaint letter that's both professional and gets results. Now, as we know, in a letter of complaint you have to do two main things. You have to explain the problem, and you have to tell the reader what action you would like to be taken. Here are some useful expressions that you can use when you're giving your reason for writing.
I'm writing in order to complain about the delay in the delivery of my order. I am writing to complain about the damaged goods I received today. I am writing regarding order 235. I'm writing to express my dissatisfaction at the service I received.
Here are some phrases that can be used to introduce your complaint.
We thoroughly enjoyed the meal at your restaurant. However, after that we experienced a number of problems. I am extremely disappointed with the service I received because I have been a member of your club for several years. The first thing I would like to draw your attention to is the damaged goods I received.
In the next step, you can mention some of the negative consequences that occurred as a result of the problem.
In addition to this, there was a crack on the screen. To make matters worse, the shop informed me that the repairs cannot be completed this month. Furthermore, this could have been dangerous. Unfortunately, the customer service team continued to ignore my request.
To express and emphasize your disappointment at the situation, you can elaborate by using some of the following phrases.
It is not acceptable to have to wait so long for a response. I am not at all pleased that the service I received was so poor. I am disappointed because this is not the first time I have written to your company.
Now after that, you'll need to say what you would like to be done to resolve the situation. Here are some useful expressions.
I suggest that you replace the item. I therefore suggest that I be given a full refund as soon as possible. I would be grateful if you could give me a full refund. I would like to request that somebody contacts me as a matter of priority. To resolve the problem, I would appreciate it if you could send me a replacement laptop within 2 days.
To end your letter of complaint, you can conclude it by telling the intended recipient that you expect to hear back from them. Here are some professional phrases to end your letter of complaint.
I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to receiving a full refund. I look forward to receiving a replacement camera. I look forward to receiving your explanation. I look forward to your reply and a resolution to my problem.
Now that we've completed our lesson, you've learned over 30 phrases that can be used if you ever need to write a letter of complaint. See you again back here for the next session of Writing for Business.